Hello, you guys. Welcome here. Today's sweet and short and spicy video is our brand new house tour in Japan, and we are starting off as usual in the Genkan. If you're familiar with Japanese homes, then you know that this is the staple entryway where we keep our shoes. And then right down the hallway here to the right is my husband's office. This is the room he'll be using for his office. Then we are switching over to the toilet room, typical for Japanese dwelling, where you have the toilet room separated from the rest of the like shower room and face basin area. This house is a 4 LDK house, so it's 4 bedrooms, living, kitchen, and dining. And also, please stay tuned for the unpacked version of the apartment tour, which is going to be going live soon after this video has gone up. So please come back and check for that video. In this room right here is what we are labeling as the playroom at the moment. That's really the plan for this room, just to make it nice for our 2-year-old son to play in. And also I'll be keeping my work desk in that room also, to give my husband his own private office. He wanted that so much. In here is the LDK. So this is a combination of the kitchen, the living, and the dining room. Of course, once we move in, we're going to be deciding which area we're going to be dedicating to what. I mean, the kitchen and dining are probably already segmented, but like in terms of where we put the couch and the TV and all of that stuff, we'll be deciding once we move in this little space right here. I say little space very relatively, it's very big. Is like just extra storage. Of course, once we move in, we'll be deciding what we store in there. So of course, come back to the channel to see what we end up doing. And of course, the narrow Japanese stairs. Upstairs, we only have 2 rooms. Our son's room and then our room. This room right here is going to be our son's room. Very nice, spacious, white and bright, perfect for a toddler. And just beyond these sliding doors right here is the master bedroom, and this is where we will be sleeping. So grateful that an air con was installed on this floor, because it gets super hot in the summer and super cold in the winter, even though the aircon heating function really makes the utility bill goes sky high. Highly do not recommend that, but for the time being, that is what we're going to be using. This house comes with a lot of storage, as you can see. This video is very short. I just wanted to give you an empty house tour, just the overview of all the rooms in the house and stuff. But be sure to come back for the entire house tour when all our stuff is packed out and I go through room by room and just talk about the house. We're going back down the stairs, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing if you want more videos like this, and I will see you soon. Bye.